How many pins must be knocked down to score a strike in bowling? Right answer is down. At what temperature does water freeze? Right answer option B 32 Fahrenheit. Which of these superheroes was created first? Spider Man, Superman, Iron Man. Right answer is Superman. Which country is the most populated in the world? Right answer is India. What are we talking about when we refer to lapis lazuli? Right answer is a stone. What is the unit of electrical resistance? The answer is ohm. How many faces does a cube have? The answer is 6. What is the study of fungi called? Answer is mycology. Which event always starts a triathlon? The answer is swimming. Which country is barbecue sauce originally from? The answer is United States. In which city is the Colosseum located? The answer is Rome. How many days are there in a leap year? The answer is 366 days. What is the name of the colored part of the eyes? The answer is the iris. What is the official language of Egypt? The answer is Arabic. Which country is flamenco originated from? The answer is Spain. What is the largest hot desert in the world? Answer is Sahara. What is the currency in Japan? Answer is yuan. Which star is commonly called the Shepherd's star? Answer is Venus. What is the name of the largest waterfall in the world? Answer Salto Angel Falls. How many years are in a century? The answer is 100 years. Who painted the Starry Night? Answer is Vincent van Gogh. Who painted the famous mural on the ceiling of the Sistine Chapel? Answer is Michelangelo. Which of these teams is an MBA? Los Angeles Lakers. Which planet is known as the Red Planet? The answer is Mars. What is the largest island in Europe? The right answer is Great Britain. Who is known as the father of computers? The right answer is Charles Babbage. Which country is known as the land of the rising sun? Japan. In judo, which belt is for beginners? Right answer is white belt. What is the name of the main character in the famous manga One Piece? The answer is Luffy. Who wrote Romeo and Juliet? William Shakespeare. What is the smallest planet in our solar system? The answer is Mercury. What is the most popular sport in India? The answer is cricket. What is the process by which plants transform light into energy? The right answer is photosynthesis. What symbol represents the British pound sterling? Option A. Which year marks the creation of printing and the printing of the first book? 1450. What is the position of the Earth in relation to the Sun? The third. In which month does summer end in France? Answer is September. What is the emergency phone number in the United States? The right answer is 911. Which of these planets is a gas planet? Jupiter. In Greek mythology, who is the son of Zeus and famous for his 12 labors? Hercules. Which sea is located between mainland China and South Korea? The Yellow Sea. What is hummus made from? Right answer is chickpeas. How many chromosomes does a human have? 46. Which metal is liquid at room temperature? The answer is mercury. What is the real Apple logo? The beetle apple. In which country can you visit the Sagrada Familia? Spain. What is the name of Mickey's dog? Ludo. What is Aqua Alta in Italy? The flooding period in Venice. Which chess piece can only move diagonally? The bishop. How long does it take Earth to rotate on its axis? 24 hours. How many did you get right? Please let us know in the comment box and see you in the next video.